Most people prefer triple fan cards with beefy coolers, but for those of you who prefer a compact build with subtle looks, the Asus Dual RTX 4070 Super EVO is an excellent option. The benefit of a dual slot and dual fan graphics card is mainly the more compact size, allowing them to easily fit into micro ATX and even ITX cases. However, another benefit is the significantly lower price. Like the rest of the Asus RTX 40 series line, the Dual RTX 4070 Super features improved Axial Tech fans, which are better than the previous generation. These newer fans have longer blades and a barrier ring that improves airflow. This is especially important for a dual fan card, as they tend to run hotter than their triple fan counterparts. Design-wise, this variant is not going to blow you away by any means. There's no RGB lighting here, and the design mainly consists of plain black housing around the cooler. Fortunately, it does feature a sturdy metal backplate with a cutout for better airflow. If you want a more interesting appearance, you can opt for the white version of this card, which costs around the same. It's important to note here that Asus makes a few different versions of this card. This variant, the Dual EVO OC, features a slight factory overclock. Its boost clock is rated at 2520 MHz, which is 2% faster than the baseline. The best part is that it doesn't cost $1 over the reference edition, which is very impressive for an Asus card. Like other Asus graphics cards, it also features a BIOS switch that allows you to switch between performance and quiet modes. As you can probably guess, the quiet mode takes advantage of a relaxed fan curve for lower noise. Apart from that, it features 3 DisplayPort 1.4a ports and 1 HDMI 2.1 port, which is the standard. For a dual-slot card, the thermal performance is nothing short of commendable. It helps that the 4070 Super is efficient enough to begin with, which really shows you don't always need a beefy triple-slot GPU for good thermals. Expect temperatures around 75 to 80 degrees Celsius if you're really pushing this card to the maximum. However, you won't be doing that all the time, and the card will mostly stay under 70 degrees during normal usage. In terms of competition, other dual-slot options are the Zotac Twin Edge and the MSI Ventus 2X OC. Compared to both, the Dual EVO has better thermals, quieter operation, and a slightly higher factory overclock. This is why it's my go-to pick for an entry-level RTX 4070 Super. In conclusion, the Dual RTX 4070 Super EVO won't blow you away with its design, but it's enough to get the job done. It's reliable, fits into most cases with ease, and comes in at the same price as the reference 4070 Super. Not much more you can ask for at this price. To sum up, what I like is that it costs the same as the reference 4070 Super, the decent thermal performance for a dual-fan card, and the compact size. On the downside, generic and uninteresting design, and there's no RGB lighting. Thanks for watching! Remember, you can check the price in the description below. And if you're interested in more PC building suggestions and hardware reviews, be sure to check out more of my videos. Before you go, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to stay updated, and let me know your opinion and suggestions in the comments. See you in the next one.